starting. So we have different diversity in our country. We have different diversities. Like in case of diversity means there are differences. Like what type of difference do you see in the country? Do you think we have in the country? Can anyone guess? Okay, like diversity difference in terms of like what diversity do you find? What differences do you find within the country? Geographical diversity,
Language.
language, very good. Other diversity,
Sir, caste and religion.
caste and religion diversity, caste diversity, religious diversity, other diversities. What would you know? I will keep on asking you until like you keep on thinking, okay? Because I told you one of the objectives of education is critical thinking, where you are made to often think with some open-ended questions. But no, I'm not be waiting for 10, 15 minutes for you to think also. Just 10 seconds maximum think time.
Sir, cultural diversity.
Diversity and others. Okay, it's cultural diversity is there, religious diversity is there, ethnic diversity is there, ethnic or caste, okay. And we have other diversity in case of climate also is there diversity. We have physical diversity, we have geographical diversity. You can see Tarai hill, mountains. Climate also you can see it varies from different places. That's another diversity. So we have different forms of diversity in our case. Although in spite of all these different diversities, most of the people in the country ours, like they are not been having conflict in the name of either religion or in the name of like not so much like a big war going on. At times we have seen the news going around recently also, you can see those type of things, but it's not a big conflict, not so big so far, okay, like having itself a civil war or anything. In that case, civil war was also there, but not so big. Okay, so that's what we mean by like in spite of all this diversity, we are all living together. That is, we have unity. So that is unity in diversity. So that is what we mean by unity in diversity. Like in case of like we told differences in diversity. First diversity we can tell in terms of, let's say, language. So what languages do you know in the country?
Sir, Nepali.
Okay, tell how much you know. Not don't tell only one. Just tell how much you know.
Nevari.
Nevari.
Tharu.
Tharu language, okay. Tharu language.
Nepali, Nevari, Gurung,
Tamang language.
Okay, so we have different languages, right?
Bhojpuri also
yes.
somewhere they speak.
Bhojpuri, Maithili, you have to see they are more in number, okay, after Nepali. So Nepali, Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharu, Tamang. In case of Nevari, that is known as Nepal Bhasa. Okay, Magar, Doteli, the different languages are there, which we have studied in grade 7 also in population. Either in 7 or it will be in around in grade 8 also, okay. So that is a part where you saw all the different languages spoken in the country. And next one, like we have differences in case of like race also, multiracial. What races can you say? What caste can you say? What ethnic groups can you say? What caste do we have? What caste do we have? Yes.
Rai. Gurung. Lama.
Khetri,
Different castes are also there. That also we will we study that itself in like around in population. If not, we will be studying this year, or it was in grade 7 also, grade 6 also. Okay, so there are different caste also. So we have different caste of people, like majority you can see first highest Kshetri, then Brahman, then that's how it has been going on percentage wise, if we see the overall composition and distribution. And next difference we have is in terms of like culture. So what are the multicultural that we have? What cultures do we have? Malika, what happened to the camera?
Sir, it's kind of disturbed, so.
Okay, like to see the camera at times I have to close the screen, some of them. Like okay, Norman, I can't see still. Okay, Prasiddha told there's internet problem. By the way, also okay. So other in case of caste, no, in case of culture, what culture do we have? What are different cultures that we have? Like we have different culture, different customs that we have been studying. Like you studied in grade 7 also, different custom based on different caste. That was in grade 7's topic.
Hinduism, Buddhism.
So that was that is religion, but in terms of like caste, like Rai, Lembu, different Tharut, they had different birth rituals, different death rituals to different uh, cultures itself, right? And different festivals that they follow, different marriage ceremony that they had, all these different cultures we have. So much variety that we have been studying itself from grade 7. I'm just trying to connect so that you remember them, okay? So like in case of festivals, again, we have religious festivals, okay? In case of our congregation, different religions, like Malika was trying to talk about religion, so we can make a connection there. As much as possible, whatever you speak, I'm trying to connect, okay? Sometimes just to make sure you are almost near to that learning point, okay? Just to make connection, even though sometimes the point are not so strong. Just to make sure that you just understand little more, okay? So based on religion, now different religious festivals like Dasai, Tihar, based on religion also, all these are also part of the culture. Okay, Buddha Jayanti, Udauli, Ubauli, Magi, Sangrati. These are the different cultures that we have in the country. So that's why country is multicultural. And then again, based on like we have religion now. Now we come to religion. So in religion, we just recently studied the topic of religion. That also, if you see in your book, it was there. Okay, sometimes maybe not in this exact publication, because teachers will be keeping different publication at times, and they myself get confused which book had that data statistic exactly in the books being shown. But more or less it can be sometimes in grade 7 also. So in case of religion, we have different religions like we just recently studied. So what are they? So just to have a quick recap, Riha, can you tell me what are they?
Sorry.
Yeah. What are the different religions that we have in Nepal? So what did we study recently about religion? What religions do we have? Hindu,
Buddhist,
Buddhist,
Christianity,
or not? Can you give out a try? What are the other religions?
Islam.
Islam,
Muslims.
Muslim. Okay, Agras is like I feel today for Agras is a football field coming in, out, in, out. Maybe is it technical problem, Agras?
Yes, sir. The Microsoft Edge crashes.
Yeah, that happens. In my also sometimes that laptop was doing the same thing earlier because maybe Chrome used too much. Chrome uses too much like RAM, and then when I tried with the other browser, Also, like in data, it doesn't like
It
data
just
is either.
crashes like out of nowhere.
Okay, that's what I just asked. Okay, sometimes it happens, but I was just asking for confirmation. In out, it's a problem. Okay, but I have been recording. You can see that also at the same time. That's why I've been trying to record. Okay, thinking these are the problems that occur before the virtual classes started last itself. It was already coming in my mind. This recording should be going on because of some technical disturbances often. But sometimes teacher forgets to start the recording. Sometimes teacher records but is not able to keep it in the file because of time management. Maybe you will see them afterwards during review time. Okay, so then these are the various cultures. These are the various religion. So these are the different like diversity we have in terms of language diversity, race diversity, culture diversity, and religious diversity. So most of the time, like diversity day is often celebrated. Okay, United States diversity visa, DV. I was just going through it. Okay, you get that also just to show that they're trying to cater that diversity visa and international education. Also, that's what they are trying to say. They are trying to work on diversity. Same, we have so much diversity in our country as well. Just making connection, okay, just with the world and how diversity is important and how why we need to often like even celebrate in our case as a diversity day, having various diversity of people, okay, including all of them. So so this is about like diversities, the important ones in terms of diversity. There are other diversities as well, also like climatic diversity. In our case, I told geographical diversity, Tarai hills, mountains, all this diversity. Okay, in spite of this, people are all living together and they are respecting each other and living in harmony. So that this is the main objective of this lesson. That is social harmony. So if you see the like we have a national anthem, we just want to sing that national anthem. Now let me just open that. You will all have to stand up, okay? I am also going to stand up and let's just sing this so that we exactly understand what does that mean. Okay, let us all stand up and let's just, because when we are either listening or anything, we have to give respect to our national anthem, okay? So we cannot sit down at all also. Okay, so you will sing this also and together, okay? All of you together.
Oh, yeah, it is echoing.
सार्वभौम फैलिएका मेची महाकाली सायो थुङ्गा फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सार्वभौम फैलिएका मेची महाकाली प्रकृतिका कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको आचरा वीरहरूका राजकाले स्वतन्त्र आचरा ज्ञान भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड हिमाल अखण्ड यो प्यारो हाम्रो मातृभूमि नेपाल बहु जाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति छ विशाल अग्रगामी राष्ट्र हाम्रो जय जय नेपाल।
Sir, you are on mute.
That was our national anthem. So based on this national anthem itself, like I would like to continue like explaining about this also. You've already understood, I think, right now what is the national anthem itself trying to talk about. I have a different worksheet for you for the next class. I'm not showing that. Okay, I'm showing one which has an English translation itself directly, and I didn't copy paste that. I just wanted to use it directly there. Okay. So Jagriti, Vaibhavi, please turn on the camera. Riha, I cannot see you. Okay, so this is the Nepali original, and there is a translation over the English translation. So that's why I wanted to show this, and I wanted to give credit to Wikipedia, showing that I'm just using this directly. Okay, just giving them credit and copy pasting. That's what I mean. Why always keep it in PowerPoint. Okay, now सय थुङ्गा फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली. So that means we went from hundreds of flowers. Okay, we have various stuff like varieties in terms of caste to everything here. You can see we are all one garland of Nepali. Whether it be of different caste, whether it be of different language, whether it be of different culture or religion, we're all Nepali. All the way from like Mechi to Mahakali. So that's all across from Mechi to Mahakali. We're all Nepali. Next one, next paragraph, like Prakriti ka koti koti sampada ko anchala. So a soul of unending natural wealth. Like we have different natural resources. Okay. That's all our wealth. Natural resources are our wealth. So वीरहरूको रगतरी स्वतन्त्र आँचल. So our country has been made all like is in present condition because of the deeds done by all our people in the past, the brave heroes. Okay, all the way from Bhimsen Thapa, Bhakti Thapa to different people. To itself, like we can talk about the martyrs during the Rana time. To slowly, to some extent, yes, we need to talk about the contribution also maybe that has been mentioned. Okay, for that mass revolution 2 also, the Maoist revolution 1 also, that also gets included here. Is that clear? So it gets included here. What is your belief? It's in your own way. Is that clear? So because they also contributed, at least for the federalism, because that is what Maoist came with, the concept of federalism for New Nepal. Not only Maoist, other parties also, like Gagan Thapa used to say, it was not only them thinking, we are also thinking with time it would change. Okay, but I'm just not trying to say others, of course, sometimes some are opportunistic, they speak later on, whereas the main reason might be itself of Maoist directly also. At the same time, even if there is federalism, the country is failing at times, then credit to blame both can go to them. If it develops, the credit goes. If it goes in vain, then the blame goes, because it's very expensive form of government so far. So far, how much development will happen, it needs to see. Okay, within a decade, we can see that how much it developed. With time, of course, it develops to some extent because of the citizens also. Okay, so here all those people are also included. And next one, in next paragraph, Gyano Bhumi, Santi Bhumi, Tarai Pahad Himala. So it's a land of knowledge. We have knowledge, many things like yoga to everything. You can see they all also originated to some extent. You can see, you have seen Buddha itself. Okay, enlightened one. He also is over here. So different based on all of them. It's a land of knowledge, and we have all these different places like plain, hills, and mountains. That's how our Nepal is, motherland Nepal is. And final paragraph, you can see it's talking about exactly what we are studying. Bahul, we are studying. Other paragraphs also are trying to say the same thing. Finally, Bahul Jati, Vasa, Dharma, Sanskriti, and Visala. Means we have diverse race, okay, Jati, language, Vasa, religion, Dharma, and culture, Sanskriti. So we have different races, but in spite of this, we have a progressive nation. That's ours, that is Nepal. So that is what is mean by the national anthem itself, like which it was changed all the way from, like earlier was trying to show some tribute to the king, right, Sriman Gambira. Now this is based on unity itself, unity and diversity. So that's how it has been changed. And the one who sang this was a singer who has, I think, who is the singer of this national anthem?
He died last year, but then I don't know. He
Yes.
died not last year, but then 2-3 years ago.
Okay, that was the composer, right? Ambar Guru.
Yeah.
But there was another singer. Okay, he was teaching himself in the music department of St. Mary. That was what was mentioned. Okay, so he has also recently died. Okay, we can find that out. I also just forget because of too many things at times. Okay, these facts are good to remember for our social state, but at times my memory also like it forgets. Okay, so this is about unity in diversity. So we combined both the lessons together and completed them. So based on this, we will have again a different group activity for the groups itself. It is already ready here, and skit topic is also ready here. It's more or less based on unity and diversity. Okay, the way I've written the worksheet is based on unity and diversity, but our topic is social harmony, Nepal or beautiful garden. Like, how can you compare Nepal as a beautiful garden now? You saw in the garden there are different types of flowers. Same way in our country, we have different type of people based on multi-language, multi-racial, multicultural, and multi-religious. They're all like different flowers. Like Prithvi Narayan Shah told, Nepal 4 जात 36 वर्णको साझा फुलबारी हो. 4 caste and 36 subcaste. Okay, that is itself a garden. So that's how our topic is also related. Nepal or beautiful garden. And in the constitution also, it has been written the same thing. If you see the constitution part 1, that it mentions that Nepal is a multilingual, multiracial, multicultural, and multi-religious country. So you know what does that mean now exactly? Any confusion? Okay, so if you go to your question answers, I don't think you'll be able to you'll have any problem in answering them, because we more or less covered all your question answers during our interaction as well. So see page number like question answers of that lesson 3. If do you have any question there in any of the question there? If not, you can do that question answers. If you have, you can ask right now also, or you can ask afterwards also when we begin the next class. It's up to you. So you want to give out a try first before asking also, it's fine. If not, we would like to end for today because it's already 1:54. And next class, we will have activities, group activities based on unity and diversity with different topics, which might be similar to this also. Some of them might be different. Okay, any thing? Okay, if not, let's conclude for now. And regarding who's going to be recommended for remedial, I'll write it in the Viber or and both of them. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.